So in this Fiverr tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to choose your interest on the Fiverr mobile application. So once Fiverr's opened up, just go to the bottom right here and press on the profile picture icon. Once you're on this page right here, just scroll to the top to where it says My Fiverr, and then go ahead and select My Interest. Now when you're on the interest tab right here, you can go ahead and choose your interest. Please select at least one of the following services to get started. So in this case, if you're looking for social media creation, maybe you want someone that can help basically with your brand here. So I can edit photos and videos. Maybe they can go ahead and do a bunch of other stuff. So if you can just go ahead and select your stuff right here. So maybe you want to create an animation. Maybe you want to develop a video game, like whatever your interests are, you can go ahead and scroll through. And if all looks good to you, go ahead and press save right here. Now what you're going to be showing here on the main screen right here is you can go ahead and actually see a bunch of different stuff that satisfy your interests here. So I can scroll, create social media content, edit photos and images, edit animation, develop a video game, etc. It's now going to be sorted based on the interest that you selected here. So very simple, very straightforward. That's how to choose your interests on the Fiverr mobile application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.